I'm Rebecca Gill, Manager of Event Technology at Lang AG, and here we are at ISE 2026 at the Lang booth. I have with me here today one of our brand new drones, the Damoda V4. It's a drone that starts and lands automatically in a charging tray, which makes for super easy setup and also quick takedown basically. What's cool about it is this is the charging tray, and it will land in it automatically and start charging wirelessly. You get 6 of these drones in one tray, and the tray can load has enough charge for 3 shows. So all in all, it's really easy, and what makes it even better is the space that you need to set it up. So from 250 square meters you can deploy 1,000 drones, which means from our booth here, which is about 560 drones, well, you can do the math, you can do over 2,000 drones just from this space that can launch a show.